Hey, Paul here on EMD Automotive. We've got a Volkswagen Polo with the actual door trim. I've got to remove so I can actually put a new mirror. There's a new mirror there, housing. It's all broken. So today I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Okay, all you need is a T30. Alright, this is a 6R model Volkswagen Polo. Need a T30, T20, multi-hex, multi-spline, whatever you call it, M8. So that's the three tools you need. M8, T20 and the T30 Torx. Alright, the M8 is for this one. That holds the whole mirror on. It's right here, and the wiring harness comes through there. Connects to here. Alright, and there's three screws holding the whole door trim on. You'll take that cover here. That cover's got to come off. Just pry it off down here at the bottom, and it will come off. T30, T30, and another T30 down there. We'll hold it. There's one there. Just get the door on an angle. You don't have to take the whole thing off. Sit like that. Don't worry about taking the cable off. You don't have to. The door is very light. It's not a heavy door trim. And then you just take the wiring harness, take the mirror out, and then go from there. Alright, but when you take the door trim out, once those three screws are off, there's one more. There's another T20 here. With just a little cap. Okay, the cap goes here. Pry the little cap off, and there's another T20 screw. From here that goes to there. So you got 4 screws, sorry, not 3. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.